Hi guys, welcome to my channel Out of My Innovation. So I'm not revealing my face yet until my 10,000 subscribers are not hitting my subscribing button. Okay, so guys, today's topic is in how much money you can make this key, flip key, basically for any car. Focus. This flip key for any car. Okay, and will it work on every car? Okay, so today I'm gonna to answer this question because this is very rapidly answer question. So guys, as you can see, yes, this could be done on any car, any of the bike, any of the cycles even, I think, which are having this kind of vertical key fob. Okay, so guys, just order the key shell from the Flipkart or anything, or if you are living in the Delhi, so you can find it on some of the shops also. So guys, you have to order this key fob. Okay, yeah, it will take you around minimum 400 to maximum 1000. So it will take you around that much bucks, and you have to take your key, your original ordinary key, which looks like this something only, and having the some of the logos over here. So you have to take it to the key maker and who makes the duplicate keys. Okay, so you have to take it to that person and say him to fit that key in the this key fob. You can see it is fitted over there. So I think you have understand what I'm saying. You have to fit it over there like this, and this will work perfectly. You can see, and take a closer look. So that's it. And guys, if you are ordering, uh, once more thing, this will won't gonna work on your car. Okay, because your car needs anti-theft system. So I think you have understood everything. So thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel and please increase my subscribers at least for this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel, and this is my face. Okay, bye, my info.